Hi friends, today turn that off. We're gonna be doing an unboxing slash vloggy poo kind of thing. I'm not gonna be vlogging while I'm driving though, because the last time I tried that, I failed. Okay, I lied. And so I just wanted to test out, if any of you are familiar with the app Wish, it's like this really cheap shopping app thing. It's really terrible, but I'm addicted. So I'm gonna be trying out their feature, which is the pickup in-store feature. Okay, so I'm here at the pickup site. I'm a little nervous. People are watching me film. Okay. Okay. So I think this is the place. Yeah, okay. Alrighty, I've retrieved the goods. And the pharmacist was really sweet. He was just chatting with me and telling me like that Wish has been doing this for about 2 months now, and he seems to really enjoy partnering with them and having people order. And he said like a lot of people that order through Wish actually end up using him as a pharmacy now. So that's really cool, helping businesses help each other. How much you wanna miss? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some fairy tale bliss, just something I could turn to, somebody I could kiss. I want something just like this. Am I getting the lyrics right? I don't know. Oh, what is this guy? Oh, what a dumbass. We had a light. So the gas station. Hello friends, I am back in my dwelling. So stressed. Back with it. I went to go pick up my package from the local pharmacy. We're just gonna open the package now. So this is my package. It is a t-shirt and I'm really freaking excited because ooh, okay. Oh, okay. Oh my god, I love it already. Look at this, it's so cute. Doesn't have a weird smell. It's really nice quality too. Whoa, this is kind of giant though. I might have to cut it or something. It's beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna go try it on. Okay, this shirt is so comfortable and so cute. It's a little bit long, but I can get away with tucking it in or maybe even cropping it a little bit, but it's real cute. Oh, I'm wearing a shirt underneath. LOL. Oh, ooh, a butterfly. Alrighty guys, so that was it for this video, and you should know that because I'm ending the video. And every time I try and film, there's like these butterflies that like always like pass like just my line of vision, but they know where the camera is, and they specifically avoid the camera lens. Bamboozled. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, if you would like to do so, please subscribe to me. That would be nice. I need friends, please. I actually kind of like being alone. I don't know. Oh, also follow me on Instagram. It'll be here for you. Alrighty, thanks for watching, and I will see you later, but not really because I'm the one that's filming, and you'll see me later. Bye guys. I don't know how to dance. Bye!